And if I was asked, prove to me that God exists, what I would want to do with that particular person is I would want to ask what they're looking for in regards to proof. Because even academically in my own field, the word proof is this nebulous, problematic term, because proof and evidence are not synonymous. Proof mathematically is very sound. 1 + 1 = 2, and that's going to be true with a capital T no matter what the situation is. As a historian, truth is a probability issue. It's an inference to the best explanation. And so we're looking for things on a higher probability of whether they actually happened or a lower probability based on a number of intervening factors. And so if we're looking for an answer to prove God exists, I think the question kind of sets up the terms to maybe leave that person wanting to begin with. So what I want to do is actually find out what that person means by proof and try to provide something that would potentially speak into what they're looking for in particular. Maybe the question is existential. Maybe they're looking for a God who they can feel knows them intimately and loves them. And maybe the question that they're looking for is scientific, and they're looking for a design answer. You know, how do we look at the world around us and into the details of the cell, evidence of something beyond matter and motion that gives an answer? Or maybe it's philosophical. Maybe they're trying to answer philosophical questions that are being posed to them or that they are encountering about a good God in a world that is complicated and all of these things. So there isn't necessarily one silver bullet in terms of a proof for God, because if you have 100 people in a room, you have 100 different avenues that they might be looking for.